Hi, today we're going to do our social studies assignment and we're going to read about resources and choices. So the first part says a resource is anything that people can use. There are many different types of resources. It is important for people and communities to use resources wisely so that they will be there for us to use in the future. Trees are natural resources. How are trees used to meet our needs? People build houses with wood from trees. How else are trees used? Okay. The next part talks about money. Money is a capital resource. People use money to buy things that they need and want. They can also save money for the future or donate money to people in need. When we use capital resources, we have to make choices. Most people don't have enough money to buy everything that they want, so they have to choose the things that are the most important to them. Imagine that you had $5 to spend. Would you spend it all? Would you save it and buy something more expensive? What are some other ways that you could use your money? We also have to make choices when we use natural resources. Cutting down too many trees could destroy some animal homes, but people need but people need wood to build homes, to build furniture and other things. So we have to work together to make the best choices. Oil is an important natural resource. A lot of oil is used to make fuel for cars, trains, boats, and planes. Oil is also used to make other things like paint, tires, ink, and plastic. Texas produces more oil than any other state in the United States. The choices that people make have cost and benefits. The costs can be money, time, or loss of natural resources. The benefits are the good things that happen, like when families have everything that they need and some things that they want. If your family decides to go eat at a restaurant, it might cost more money than what you would spend on a meal at home, but you would probably have fun, and the people who work at the restaurant would do all the cooking and cleaning up. So that would be a want. Some choices have cost but no benefits. If you let the water run while you brush your teeth, you are wasting one of the most important natural resources, which is water. It also costs your parents money when they have to pay the water bill. People can replenish or replace natural resources. We can replenish some of them, but it may take a very long time. It takes about 20 years or more for many trees to grow, but new fruits and vegetables can be grown year after year after year. Things that become extinct can never be replaced. So here is an assignment of an example, one of the things that you will do in a minute. So here is the word bank, and you're going to answer some of these questions. So we have money, extinct, cost, replenish, resource, benefits, and oil. A blank is anything that people can use. Number 2, things that can become blank can never be replaced. Number 3, it is important, blank is an important natural resource. Number 4, the choices that people make have blank and blank. Number 5, blank is a capital resource. And number 6, we can blank some natural resources. And then last, there is a map that says, what is your favorite color? And you're going to use your favorite color to fill in Texas on the map. what did we learn about Texas? They talked about a special resource that we have a lot in Texas. So you're going to tell us about what you learned and what natural resource that is. Okay, I hope that y'all are having a good time and just wanted to let you know that we miss you guys. Okay, so have fun on your social studies assignments. Bye.